In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix can't insert new cells error in Microsoft Excel. If Excel won't let you insert new cells, rows, or columns, the issue is often caused by unused rows or columns that still contain hidden formatting or data. Even if those areas look empty, Excel may still treat them as used, which can block you from adding anything new. The good news is that this is usually a quick fix. First, delete the unused rows in your worksheet. Go to the first completely empty row below your actual data, then select all the remaining rows underneath it. This helps remove any invisible formatting, accidental entries, or leftover content that may be making Excel think the sheet is full. Once those rows are selected, delete them rather than just clearing their contents, because deleting resets that space more effectively. Next, select all unused columns to the right of your data. Start from the first empty column after your last column of real information. Then highlight every column going all the way to the far right edge of the worksheet. This is another common place where hidden formatting builds up over time, especially in files that have been edited repeatedly or copied from other workbooks. After selecting those unused columns, right-click on the highlighted area. This will open the context menu with several options. What you want here is the delete option, not clear contents or hide. Choosing delete tells Excel to remove those extra columns from the worksheet's active used range, which is often what resolves the error. Now click delete and then save the workbook. Saving is important because it allows Excel to refresh and fully recognize the changes you just made. In many cases, the error won't clear properly until the file has been saved. After saving, try going back and inserting the new cells, rows, or columns again. If it still doesn't work right away, close the workbook and reopen it after saving. That can help Excel fully reset the worksheet boundaries. Also, make sure you're only deleting truly unused rows and columns so you don't accidentally remove anything important. This method works because it reduces the worksheet's used range and removes hidden elements that interfere with insertion. It's simple, but very effective, especially for spreadsheets that have grown messy over time. That's how to fix the can't insert new cells error in Microsoft Excel.